Hey there mga tropa! Nagbabalik ang tropa niyo laging ready, tropang Andy for another vlog. For today's video, I will be doing an unboxing video of this item I just purchased recently. So if you're interested, keep on watching. But before that, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell for you to be updated on my next upload. Just like this one. So if you're ready, yalla, let's begin. Yes, you've heard it right. I will be doing an unboxing video for the first time in history. Yes, this would be my first unboxing vlog. Yes, so please bear with me because I'm not that expert in doing unboxing. I just wanted to share with you guys this item I just purchased recently because it's on sale. And I needed this one, so I bought it because it's so cheap now when I bought this. So this item is the Kenwood Xtreme Cyclone vacuum cleaner. So ito yung i-unbox natin today. So let's begin. I'm excited. Okay, so hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan actually. Ayan, so let's start!
Mag-iingat sa paggamit ng gunting, ha? Oh!
Okay. Alright, so it's very sealed. So there is the warranty seal there. Okay. Very careful in using the scissors. Ayaw naman natin masaktan tayo, diba? Kasi mahirap masaktan, masakit. Ayoko na masaktan. May paghugot. Ayan. So, open this one. Yan! Oh my gosh! So excited. So that's what's in the box. We have here, this one is a tube. I don't know this one. This is a tube. Okay. Then, we have here the, okay, let me check what's in the box. It says here, it has floor brush. This is the telescopic metal handle. Telescopic. So, this could be a telescope. And we have here the flexible hose. So, this is the flexible hose. Ayan, ang haba ha. Ayan, so flexible talaga siya guys. Very flexible. See? Oh, very flexible siya. And then, what do we have here? We have the crevice. Ayun. We have the floor brush. This is the floor brush. And what else? This is the crevice tool. This one, the crevice tool. And of course, this is the bag. This is bagless actually. So, dito mapupunta yung dumi na the back. Masisip-sip niya. And, here is the machine itself. So, this is the machine. Oh my gosh, it's so big pala. Pero hindi siya ganun kabigat. And, the leaflet. Okay. So, let's assemble this one. So, try natin siyang i-assemble. So let's just remove the plastics. Oh. Okay, very nice. What is this? This is the gulong-gulong. So may gulong siya dun, guys. Okay, yeah. It's very nice. Then you can pull the plug here. Look. The cord can be pulled like that. You just have to press this one. So lalabas yung cord. And then, if you wanted to put it back, you just have to press it. Wow! Amazing! Diba? Okay, so let's assemble this one. And we'll try. We'll do a try on for this one. Okay. So, this is the bag. No. This is bagless actually. How do you put this one? Okay. Kalimutan ko natin yung sinabi sa akin ni Kuya. Okay. Like that. No. I don't know. My God. Baka, ano. You have to push it here. There's a button here pala. You have to push it there. Just like that one. Okay. Simple as that. So, ayun. Nailagay na natin siya. And then, we're going to put the tube. This one, we're just going to connect it here. Okay, that is being connected already. And then, the flexible hose, so you can either use this floor brush. You just have to connect it here. Ayan. So, eto, ilalak lang natin siya. That's it. Okay, very nice. Pero bakit siya gano'n? What is that? How can you brush like that? If it's like that, diba? Of course, we have to turn like that. We're ready to clean. Ayan. So, pwede na tayo maglinis. Okay. So, what else? What is this? What is the use of this telescopic thing? Ah, okay. Mali. Pasensya na. This is our first time to do this thing. So, this is really a telescopic. I can see you there. See? Oh, pwede. I can see you there, guys. So, we can actually, dapat pala, ito munang telescopic ang nilagay natin before yung ano. Hay nako, mali. Hay nako, mali. Ayan. So, we're going to connect the telescopic tube. There. Okay, I think that's enough. And then, we're going to connect the floor brush. There. Okay. And I think that's enough. What is this bottom? Like that. I don't know. I don't know actually. What's the use of that thing? So now, I'm going to try this one. Kung makakalinis ba talaga siya. I hope this thing works. Kung gumagana naman siya, guys, I just don't know if I have put it right. So, I will try. Oh my God, napaka-flexible ng hose, ha? Ang hirap niyang i-maneuver. Really. Okay. So, maybe I have put it wrong. So, I will try, guys. Wait. Okay, guys. So, now I'm going to try this vacuum cleaner na na-set up na natin kung makakahigop ba siya ng mga dumi. Okay, so we'll try this thing if it works or not. Okay, so I'll just put my camera here, then I'll just try to clean my room because ayan, so medyo ano na, titingnan natin kung matatanggal niya yung mga dumi sa ating floor mat. Yes. Yalla, let's go! Let's start. So, malakas siyang humigop. Very malakas. Very malakas siyang humigop. Amazing. Ah. And extended. Very nice. Okay, so that can be extended like that. Very nice. What? I'm going to try another thing. Ang lakas niya, guys. Grabe, ang lakas niyang humigop. Ang hirap niyang i-control sa sobrang lakas niya. Grabe, I just don't know how to switch that one. Oh, very nice. So, this is the other tool. This is the crevice tool. My brush siya like that. So, we can use it in cleaning your surfaces na medyo mahirap abutin, like that. So, I'm going to try it on my side table. So, if this thing will work or not. Amazing. It's very amazing, guys. It's very nice. So, see, these are the dirt. See? These are the dirt na nalinis niya. Look at that dirt. Oh my gosh. So madumi. Okay, guys. So we just tried the product, and now I will show you how to drain the dirt na nakuha nung vacuum. Ayan. So, kung paano naman siya ngayon aalisin, so, lilinisin na natin siya. How to do aftercare. So, tatanggalin lang natin itong tube. Okay, we're just going to remove this one. So, iikot lang natin siya like that. And then, we're just going to press the button here para matanggal natin itong ano niya. And then, so, tatapon lang natin siya agad-agad. So, we just have to press the button here. Wait lang, ang hirap mag-video na mag-isa. It's so hard to do this thing. My goodness. Okay, wait. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya buksan. So, we have here the trash can. So, pipindot mo lang to, guys. Pipindot nga ba? Pipindot lang natin siya. And then magbubukas na to. Daran! Ayan. So, natanggal na yung dumi. Ganun lang natin siya linisan. So, taktak mo lang siya dyan. Para matanggal yung mga duming nakuha niya. Okay. Simple as that. And then, after naman natin i-drain yung nakuha niya mga dumi, lilinisin din natin yung mga loob niya. So, paano gawin yon? Iikot lang natin tong upper part. So, i-twist mo lang siyang like that. And then, makikita mo dito yung mga filter. So, kapag nakita mo na yung mga filter na medyo madumi na siya, so, kinakailangan mo din siyang linisin. So, tatanggalin mo lang siyang ganyan. Tapos, papampagin mo lang. And then, also the foam here. So, papampagin mo lang daw siya like that. Para matanggal yung mga alikabok. Okay, and then, huhugutin mo to para malinis mo tong, I don't know what do you call this thing. Para matanggal mo kung ano man yung mga dumikit dito. So, iba-brush lang natin siya para matanggal yung ibang dumi before natin siya itago ulit sa kanyang lagayan. Okay, so this is how you do aftercare for the vacuums. Okay, so hindi naman kinakailangan na pag natapos mo na siyang gamitin, ihahayaan mo lang na nakastock doon yung mga duming nakuha niya, diba? Hindi yun maganda, guys. Okay, so, and then, linisan mo lang din yung isa, and then ibabalik lang ulit natin siya. Okay? So, you just have to put it there, like that, and then, you have to put the foam. Is this how you do it? Is this like this? I don't know. Mahala na si Batman. Like that. And then, we're going to twist this thing. So, titingnan mo lang yung ano niya dyan. Arrow. So, tatapat mo lang tong tip na to. Tatapat mo lang to, guys. Dito sa, ano na to. And then, we're going to twist it like that till it locks. Okay, there you go. Locks already. And then, we're ready to put it back sa kanyang katawan. Ayan. So, So, press this one till it locks. There you go. There you go. And then, para sa cord naman niya guys, kailangan lang natin tanggalin muna, i-unplug lang natin siya. And then, once na na-unplug na natin, make sure lang natin na we just have to press this thing here. And then, oops, ihigupin na niya yung cord. Oops, very nice. There you go. So, taran! It's okay now to be stored back to its box. Ay, medyo nahirapan ako sa aftercare. My goodness. Ayan, so to sum it up, this product is good. Perfect. It's working nicely. Ayan, so medyo nangangapa-ngapa lang muna tayo sa paggamit on how to assemble and how to clean how to do the aftercare. Ayan, pero naipakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano gawin yung aftercare. Ayan, so wag na natin kakalimutan linisin siya every after natin siyang gamitin para hindi siya madaling masira. Okay? And one more thing, this product, I bought it at the price of 130 reals from the original price of 350, like that. So it's on sale, that's why I bought this. And it's very worth it naman, diba? Laki ng discount natin. So, why not bought this one? Kasi kailangan ko din naman sa paglilinis ng room namin. So, ayun guys, that ends our unboxing video for today. So, if you want more unboxing video, please let me know on the comment section below. And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for you to be updated on my upcoming vlogs. See you on the next one! Bye! Una sa aking mga bagong ganap at makisabay sa tawanan, chikahan at mga araw na puno ng good vibes at pangmalakasang kainan. Kaya naman, i-push mo na ang subscribe button, hit that bell to be updated in my latest happenings. Ako lagi ang inyong katropa na nagsasabing anuman ang pinagdadaanan mo, andito lang ako, isabay mo ako sa breakfast, lunch at dinner nyo at ako na ang bahala sa inyo. Hanggang sa muli, ingat katropa!